Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what shooting 6 different calibers from 6 different guns feels like? Well, at Mainstreet Guns Range, we got you covered. We have 2 different options for you, starting with the pistols. You can go from 22 ELR up to a 45. And with a rifle, you can go from 5.7 up to a 308. Well, what are we waiting for?
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
And just like that, we shot 12 different guns with 12 different calibers in one day. So if you want to shoot, the rifle configuration is $129.99 and the pistol configuration is $64.99. There's no reservation needed. Come to Mainstreet Guns Range and have fun.